To recover your Uphold account, start by visiting the Uphold website and clicking on the Login button. If you are unable to log in, click on the Forgot Password option and enter the email address associated with your Uphold account. Uphold will send you a password reset email with instructions on how to reset your password. If you are still having trouble accessing your account, click on the Help button at the bottom of the page and select Contact Support. You can then fill out the contact form with your name, email address, and a detailed description of the issue you are experiencing. Make sure to include your Uphold account email address and any relevant details about your account. Uphold support will review your request and respond with further instructions on how to recover your account. This may include verifying your identity and providing additional information about your account. It is essential to respond promptly to Uphold support to avoid any delays in the recovery process. To avoid account recovery issues in the future, make sure to use a strong and unique password for your Uphold account. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Additionally, keep your account information up to date, including your email address and phone number, to ensure you can receive important notifications and updates from Uphold. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to recover your Uphold account quickly and securely. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account and follow Uphold's guidelines and instructions to avoid any issues or delays. If you have any further questions or concerns, you can contact Uphold support for assistance.